Hello everyone, it is Wakanda time panning project update, and this is our last update for the year 2023, and this is December's update. I am not going to keep you long. I want to say thank you very much for watching all my videos, sharing, subscribing, viewing, you name it. Whatever you do when you come to my channel, I want to say I appreciate it very much, and thank you very much for spending the year with me. I appreciate you. Last update, let's see what I have planned for the whole Wakanda year 2023. This t-shirt, I started with it, so I wanted to end with it. Wakanda. Yes. Okay. This look is for the color Beauty Over 40. Go check that out. Leave me in the comments what you think for my New Year's Eve eyeshadow makeup look. My Wakanda shirt, I want it there, and now it is time to just go through the products and tell you, the whole 9 yards. So I am not going to hold you long. I'm just getting all my stuff together. Okay, so I am not going to go through the whole everything with you today. I'm just going to show you all the products I have panned in the Wakanda panning project year. And I'm so proud of myself because I got to use a lot of my products. First item was the El Maquillage. I panned that. As you can see, if you look, it is empty. Empty. Right? So I panned that. The next item I panned was the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. I panned that in my Wakanda panning project. The next thing is Origins lipstick. I panned that during my Wakanda time. I also panned the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I panned the BFF Perfect Concealer Long Wear by El Maquillage. It's the orange corrector. It is empty. And that. The next item is Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I panned that during Wakanda. The next lipstick I panned is Milani. And I panned that during Wakanda. Doing the Wakanda panning project helped a lot. I stay on one project, I worked through it and replaced it over the time. So the next thing that I panned during Wakanda was my Laura Mercier finishing powder, setting powder, finishing powder. Love this powder very, very, very much. But I have other powders that I need to use, but other than that, I would repurchase the Laura Mercier. And then I actually open it to get every little bit out. Okay, what I didn't pan, I added this lip color after the two others. I didn't pan this, so I still have this to work with. I panned my Danessa Myricks Universal Balm. I panned that. I also panned my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm shade 8. Panned that. I haven't used this in a while, but this will be in another rotation. I also panned my e.l.f. matte primer. I panned that. Colored Rain bronzer, also get panned. As you can see, it is It's almost there. It's almost finished. I'm going around the edges so the panning is getting wider. My Becca under eye brightener, I have been using it. If you know, you saw the dip in there. This is coming along pretty good. It was on my chopping block, but I think it's out of the chopping block. My next item is the lip bar finishing powder. You see, panned all the way. I am actually scraping the sides now. These are all my Wakanda panning project items that I used up in 2023, and I will leave you with something wonderful. And the I am is I am adventurous. I am adventurous. Let us remember our I am. I am adventurous. Go into 2024 and be adventurous. Do the things that you've been keeping on hold and locked down that you're so afraid to do. Go into 2024. Be adventurous. Do it. Don't give up on self. Never ever give up on self. And always remember self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. We are marching into 2024 adventurous, and we're gonna conquer health. Conquer health. We're gonna be healthy in 2024. Let's keep that spirit up. Let's go for it. And thank you all again for watching a whole year's worth of Wakanda Panning Project. My heart to you, and thank you. And I pray that 2024 will be adventurous for you. Be blessed. Bye bye.